Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. Children, a very happy new year. Let's start with a NAVODAYA coaching class. So, as you know, we were doing fractions. Let's continue with fractions. Here we go. All right. Uh, you all know that we are live on YouTube. Kindly make sure you give your answers in the chat, in the live chat. I'll be I'll be looking at your answers and let me know in case you have any doubts. Okay. So in fractions, let's see what we have today. Uh, a water tank has a capacity of 50 liters. If half of the tank is filled and two-fifths is removed, how much water is present? A water tank has a capacity of 50 liters. Okay, if half of the tank is filled, if half of the tank is filled, and two fifth of that, you know, half is removed, how much water is present? So we are doing off fractions off. So here, half of 50. We need to first find out what is the half of 50 liters. Right. So what is the half of 50? We know that verbally also without even calculation that half of 50 is 25. But let me tell you how we do it. So half of means times and 50. So 1 by 2 times 50. 1 times 50 is 50 divided by 2, which is equal to 25. So we can say that 25 liters water was there. But it is also saying that, uh, you know, uh, it says that two-fifth is removed. Okay, two-fifth is removed. Now, how much is left? So let's find that. So here, two-fifth of the remaining water, two-fifth of 50, two-fifth of the water that was there in the tank. So here, two-fifth of 50, 2 times like 5 here, if I solve it, 2 times 50 by 5. I can write 50 as 5 times 10. 5 cancel. 2 times 10 is 20. That's how we got 20. So here, 2 times 50 by 5, which is equal to 20. So 25 liter water, like here, wait. Yeah. So 25 minus 20 is 5 liters. 25 was the remaining water and two-fifths of the tank is removed. So 25 minus 20 is 5 liters. Okay. So let's do the next question. So 5 liters of water is present. Here, a water tank has capacity of 60 liters. If two-fifths of tank is filled and one-third is removed, how much water is present? I want you to do it. I hope it's done. Okay, so over here, if I talk about the capacity of the tank, it is 60 liters. Just like we did previous question, we are going to do this. So two-fifths of the tank is filled. So two-fifths of 60, 2 times 60 here by 5. So I can write 60 as, yeah, because in the denominator I have 5, I'll write it as 5 times 12. Cancel, cancel. It is equal to 24. 24 liters here. Now, one third is removed. Yeah, one third of 60 liters. So 1 by 3 times 60, I can solve it as 1 times 3 times 20. Yeah, in the denominator we have 3. 3 cancel, 20 liters. So how much water is present? Just like we did in the last question, 24 liters minus 20 liters, which is equal to 4 liters. Yeah. So 4 liters of water is present. Next one, a bus has a capacity of 80 passengers. If 3/4 of the bus is occupied and 3/8 get down, how many are present? So I hope it's done. All right, let's move on. I hope it's done till here. Okay, now 3/8 get down. So 3 by 8 of 80. 3 times 80 by 8. 3 times 8 times 10. In the denominator, it's 8. 3 times 10 is 30. Okay, so 60 minus 30 is 30 are present. 30 are present in the bus. Okay, 60 minus 30, that is equal to 30. Okay, 1 second. The first one only. I'm so sorry. Wait. Just hold on. Okay, I hope it's clear now. Yeah. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, here. A bus has a capacity of 60 passengers. If 2/5 of the bus is occupied and 1/6 get down, how many are present? Same question with different fractions. That's it. So 2/5 of 60, if I talk about 2/5 of 60, 2 by 5 off means times and 60 here, right? Calculate what is 2/5 of 60. So that means 24, 24 passengers. Now 1/6 get down. Once. So here, if here I got 10, so 24 minus 10 is 14. How many are present at that time? 14. 14 are present at that time. Did you get the same answer? Is it the same? Yes, I can see that in the live chat. It is same. Great. Let's go to the next one. A theater has a capacity of 300 members. If 3/5 of the theater is occupied and 120 leave, they left. How many are present? So first, let's find how much it is occupied. How much it is occupied. So 3/5 of 300, I'll write it as 5 times 60, and in the denominator it's 5. So 3 times 60 is 180. Okay, now 120 leaves. So what will I do is 180 was the, number of audience, like number of people there. 120 left. So how much is left? Yeah, it is 60. 60 people are left. How many people are left? 60. Let's do this now. So 3/5 of 400. So a water tank has a capacity of 400 liters. If 3/5 of the tank is filled and 120 liters is removed, how much water is present? So 3/5 of 400 is 240 liters. And from 240 liters, 120 liters of water is removed. Find the remaining. So remaining is 240 minus 120, that is equal to 120. Why zero? Somebody has written zero. No, it's not zero. Okay, let's do the next one. A fuel tank has a capacity of 40 liters. If 3/5 of the tank is filled and 18 liters of water is removed, fuel is removed, how much fuel is present? So 3/4 of 40 we will find. 3/4 of 40 here. I can write it as 3 times 4 times 10. In the denominator, it's 4. So 3 times 10 is 30 liters. And it says uh, 18 liters you have removed, right? We have removed 18 liters. So how much is left? 12 liters is the answer. Okay, we will do one more question now. Here, a water tank has a capacity of 6,000 liters. If one-fifth of tank is filled and 120 is filled again, 120 liters of, water is filled again in that tank, how much water is present now? So in the last few questions that we have done, it is removed. Okay, every time you have taken out. So be careful this time. In this question, it is filled again. It has not been removed, it has been filled again. So what will it be? Okay, now let's see how to do this. One-fifth of 6,000. So first we will find the one-fifth of 6,000 because one-fifth is filled. So one-fifth of 6,000, 1 by 5, 6,000, I will express it with respect to 5. So 5 times 1,200 is 6,000. Okay. 5 times 1,200 is 6,000. So here 5 cancel 1,200. Now the question says 120 liters is filled again. It's not removed, it's filled again. Yeah, it's filled again. So what we will do instead of the subtraction, we were subtracting in the last question because it has been removed. Now we are filling it again. So now as we are filling it again, we need to add it instead of subtracting it. So 1,200 already there, 1,200 liters plus 120 liters. So 0, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and 1. That means 1,320, 1,320 liters is the answer. Like if it is how much water is present, so 1,320 liters of water is present. Okay, so yes, dear children, this was a bit more about fractions. Yeah, so thank you so much for joining the session. Practice more, like as much as you can, because these questions are easy, but might be a little tricky in the first go. So if you'll practice, you won't even find them tricky. Okay. So yeah, keep practicing. Thank you so much for joining the session. It was a lovely session. I'll see you again super soon in the next class. By the time, take care and have fun. Have a lovely day.